Hello everyone, I am Rupesh Tiwari and hope you are all doing great and welcome to the Fullstack Masters Docker Masterclass. So if you are looking to dive into the world of containerization and unleash the full potential of Docker, you are in the right place. Are you a software developer, software engineer, an architect, and a backend or a front-end developer? Are you a solutions architect, full stack developer, or a cloud engineer? So this course is tailor-made for you. So whether you are an absolute beginner or a session pro, I have got something special in the store for each one of you. So I have a big announcement for all of you. Starting from August 4th at 9 p.m. Indian time, every week I will publish one exciting video in Docker in Hindi, and you will learn step by step how to install Linux on Windows, set up Docker on Windows and even Mac OS, explore the powerful Docker CLI, and even create custom containers using the Docker file. But that's not all. I'll also cover container interaction, stopping and removing containers, binding ports, saving data from containers, and introduce you to Docker Hub, your go-to repository for Docker images. And guess what? I have got a fun challenge for you to create an NGINX web server container from scratch. And don't worry, I will guide you every step of the way. You will become a Docker pro in no time. So, are you ready to take your development environment to the next level? Don't forget to subscribe to the Fullstack Master channel so you never miss a video from the exciting Docker Masterclass. So bookmark the playlist link in the description below and mark your calendars. Let's embark on this Docker journey together. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you in the first video. Happy containerization.